Hello and welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside today in Walkerton actually, and we've got the puppies out here and we've been here. This is what I call my Deja-vu location. My nemesis, my Achilles heel, my horrible acts that have happened in the past place, okay? This is where we had the devastating Mavic Mini crash many years ago, just over here about 600 or 700 meters away. And we had to leave it for another day to come find it. And we found it in the ice and the snow, and yeah, everything worked out pretty well. But it was a traumatic experience. So we're back again. We come here with all our drones just to see what would happen, okay? We've got the DJI Mavic Mini, DJI Mini 5 Pro, okay? We're gonna get it up, put it on a little pad here, have a little flight, and see where we go, okay? Let's go. So here we have it. We have the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the pad, ready to go. We've got our satellites just about. Yeah, we're ready to take off. We've got 28 satellites already. Okay, it's on the pad behind me. We got 4K at 50. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, because we do the LFR, low LVF, whatever, low video file, whatever. We've got the low resolution cache files. We can work with them. 4K 50 gives me some of that flexibility and going around and stuff like that. It doesn't have 2.7K. I wish it did. That would be awesome. But we've got the mini mic, we got the Osmo Nano camera, and we're ready to go. Let's get this up, and we're gonna hold the C1 button. Boom. There it goes. You might be able to see it there. Okay. Right there. Up a little bit. Ooh. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna get it out and about. We're gonna go out here for now. Okay, let's go forward and look at that. And we'll go up. I'm gonna bring that camera down a bit. There we go. There we go. And look at those leaves over there. Let's start that video. There we go. This is not the way that we're heading, but we'll head up this way anyway, okay? And out. We're going to get up about the nice 35 or so. And for my own use here, I've got the Osmo Nano at -2, -1 on the texture and noise, and I've got it at, where are we here, 46. Oh, that's tons. Look at all those colors, beautiful colors. And we've got the exposure at +5 or +3.3. There we go. Look at that. This screen is absolutely stunning. Okay, let's get forward a bit. Let's find that river. 4650. Okay, where's the river? There's the river. Okay, let's come down a bit on that. So we get rid of that. There we go. Let's go down the river. Okay, and then we'll come back and see some of the beautiful sights. But we want to have a look out here. We're going to go up to about 55 or 60, just to be absolutely sure. Now this is the area down here. Come on guys, puppies, lie down. Okay, we're up at 59, that's good. And it's just over there. Yep, we're out about 200-300 meters. Clear blue sky, it's gorgeous. So we were out here, and I just want to, no, I don't want to go that high. There we go. We'll come around this little island here. We had the Mavic Mini out here, okay, the Mavic Mini. And we were going with the Mavic Mini out to this spot out here. We got past the island, and we turned around. We just started to turn around here, and we got up to this corner up here, okay? And we're just gonna stop here for a second and look at this way. Look at this here. Okay, pick out the biggest tree in the patch, and that's the one we hit. So I think it was in the middle there somewhere, but anyway, we keep on going here, and we just don't want to hit anything. We've got the obstacle avoidance on, so it doesn't see anything right now. We're up at 59 meters. Okay, we're doing really well, really strong. Mavic Mini would not get this far at all, not at all. Okay, beautiful river. I think it was around here that it gave out on me. Yeah, it gave out on me here, and then it just turned around to come home. Okay, and it aimed directly at that tree right there. I believe it was that tree right in the middle right there. Anyway, that's where we came. So let's come back with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. No problem. This OcuSync 4 is way better, miles better than any of the other ones. Okay, miles better than the Mavic Mini anyway. And 4K at 50 should be really nice and smooth on the rotations, and we should be coming into some really nice scenes now. See the frost on the ground? Can you see the frost on the ground? It's literally cold. It really is cold. The last couple of days have been really cold. Actually, today has been warmer. Ironically, it has been warmer today than it has been the last 2 or 3 days. So there we go. And let's see, where are those leaves? Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way and turn. See if we can see the leaves. Where are the leaves? There are the leaves. Some of them anyway. Look at them. They're stunning. Some of the stunning colors. Okay. There we go. And we're going to go the other way. Let's follow the river down a little bit. Most of the leaves have gone, and what you're seeing is frost here. Okay. It's very frosty. Here we go. Okay. There we go. We're up at 59, but we're going at 14 meters per second, and we're in normal mode? My goodness. That's pretty fast. Okay, let's go into cine mode. There's cine mode. Okay. Then I can go 5 meters per second. Full stick. There we go. That's more cinematic, isn't it? There it is. Okay. And we have a look up here. And let's do a return to home. This should be good enough. Okay. And let's watch the green tunnel come back. So it's performed very well. Homeward bound. There we go. I have to hold it more. Down we come. We shall watch that green mile come back and see how close it comes to the landing pad. I'm not too worried about it. The optimal one doesn't really worry me here because there's nothing above us. Okay, but I want to have a look at those trees over there when we come back, just for a quick flight. Okay, it's coming back 10 meters per second. Yeah, I don't know why it was going so fast the other way. Maybe I misread it. But anyway, we're coming back. It's getting a little chilly on the fingers here. I think it's about 4 degrees now. 4, maybe. Something like that. And here it comes back. Straight line. There we go. We're out 200. There it is. Yeah, black speck in the sky. Just, there we go, coming above the lights now. There it is. See what happens to it. This is the landing pad right here. Okay? That's the landing pad. And down it comes. Don't know why it's over there, but that's the way it took off. I took off that way and came back. I'm not going to let it land because I want to do something else. I want to look at these trees over here. But there we go. I don't know where it's... Yeah, okay, it's coming in slow. Yep, right on the money. Right on the money. Okay, let's get it up. Okay. And I want to look at these up here. Okay, we can go in 1.5, I think we can go. Let's go up. Well, come back out again. One. Come down a bit. There we go. Let's go forward. And we're going to go into normal mode. Back into normal mode. Where are we here? Okay. There we go. A little bit higher. Okay. A little bit higher. There we go. Stop right about there. And have a look at these trees. Look at these, eh? Okay. Have a slow pan to the left there. Some nice, beautiful trees, isn't it? Okay. Beautiful. Really is. It's a nice little river. You can take a canoe on here if you want. Okay, now let's go up to get a little different perspective of it. There we go. And bring that camera down a bit and come back. See? The Mini 5 Pro, it's really good. It's really good. And this controller, really good. I must admit. And if we zoom in a bit, okay, 1.52, we can go 2, I think. There we go. And up. Okay. That's 2 times zoomed in. And we're looking at some of these beautifully colored trees here. Okay, there we go. Okay, zoom back out again. There it is. Okay, let's come on home. What's it going to do? Is it going to go up to the full height, or is it just going to stay there and come home? It's going to stay there and come home. Okay, that's the optimal. Okay, so we're just hoping that it's not going to hit anything, and I don't think it will. No, there it is. Pretty close. Okay, pretty close. And coming down again. So it is accurate. So at home, the picnic table might be the big thing. I was thinking of putting a blanket over top of it. Maybe it's the holes that are in the wood. Here it comes. Here it comes. It is chilly, so we just have to work on that. And I'm just going to grab it. Okay, turn around. There it is. And stop it. There we go. Up a bit. Underneath. And down. Come on down. Boom. There we go. But you still have to stop the video. If you don't, you're going to lose it. Let me put this down here, and I want to try something out here. Okay? I don't need this. I'm going to stop this. Excuse me. I had the little mic here because I had to do that. Turn this off. Okay. Put that there. Touch the screen here. Okay. Turn this off. It's off. Okay, we're going to come back for a second. Right now, we're going to test out this mini mic, okay, just for the heck of it. I might cut this out, I might not. If it's not there, not there. If it is, it is. Okay, so we're just going to put this back in the truck to begin with. It's in lieu of my pizza box, we have a rubber mat. Back in the truck. Okay. Back in the truck, and we're just going to walk backwards, and we're just going to walk and see how far I get. Okay, stay there, guys. We're just going to walk away, and we've got the mini mic. How far can we go with the mini mic? And I would say now I'd be about, let's see, from there to there, I'd say 30 meters. Okay, so let's see if we can do 50 meters. And there's no way anybody would be 50 meters away. Walking away 50 meters would be pretty close. This would be about 45 or 50 or so, I think. Yeah, it's probably 50 meters, something like that. Bright sun. The frost is going to go, but I can still see frost all over the place. Yeah, let's walk backwards. Forwards to backwards. Oh, Chewies. They just came. We came here to get their nails cut, and we do this every 3 weeks just to give them an outing and let them meet other people and stuff. But I've got they moved the place, so it was a whole new environment for them. So, but they had fun. They had fun. Hey, Penny. Hey, Chew. How you doing? Good girls. We're going home now? Yep, they haven't eaten yet. It's only about 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, there we go. That's it. Remember, DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's an awesome drone. It really is. It does everything you expect it to do, especially have the RC2 controller. You can't beat it. Yeah, it's chilly. Okay? Till next time, take care. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Ring the bell. Buy me a coffee. It's getting cold. I think I need one today. Okay? Bye now.